for community developers, actors, musicians, beauty pageants, and entrepreneurs. And thanks to all my subscribers who subscribe to my channel and who keeps on liking and sharing my work. Today I'm not alone. I'm with Noxolo Mbali Mdliva. You're a very powerful woman. Yeah, Noxolo, if you can just tell them who you are and what do you do.
Greetings, good people. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, and liking the channel. My name is Noxolo Mbali Mdliva. I'm a powerful young girl born with a vision of making impact in many lives. I'm a disability advocate. I'm a rape survivor. I'm a GPV survivor. I'm also an entrepreneur. I'm those people actually, if we can close the chapter, I'm a jack of all trades. I'm a career woman. I always fight to get what I want. Nothing can stop me and determine who I am.
Yeah, wow. Noxolo, if I have to ask you, where do you draw your strength from?
The big thing, the strength, I always draw it from the Bible. I'm a proud daughter of the Most High. I've realized through many ways that I'm the chosen one. Nothing can stop who I am. So the strength, I always gain it from the Bible and through music channels that uplift the souls, like gospel songs and all of that. And I also withdraw it through networking. I'm a very good speaker. I always speak with different people. Different people will always be there to discourage me, but I thank God for giving me the powerful good Samaritans who are parents to me. When I'm not okay, I just send them messages, they call and cancel me. That's how I overcome challenges.
Wow, that deserves a round of applause. And if I have to ask you, what have you learned out of the challenges that you faced as a person?
What I've learned is that's where I realize I'm actually the chosen one, because the challenges that I come from, they are very hectic and hurting in the manner that people don't overcome them the same way. Most are committing suicide, some end up becoming drug dealers, some end up staying under bridges without any hope. But I thank God for giving me the strength. I realize actually through all these challenges, God was testing me. He was training me to become the real leader, the real advocate, to put a stop to discrimination of persons with disabilities and to abuse.
Yeah. I must say, Noxolo, when I went through your profile, I was blown away by all the achievements that you've managed to achieve. I wouldn't like to mention that word, as I said before when we were having our conversation. I don't want to mention that word because I feel like it is very demeaning, according to me, in respect to you and your condition.
Yes.
And if maybe I have to ask you something, can you please tell me if someone with the same condition is watching us from home, what words of encouragement can you give to that person?
All I can say is, no one was born to suffer. Each and every one of us, we are different and we are born unique. Never let your condition or your situation change who you are. Every single day, the minute you see the sunshine, don't say you are awakened by alarm or what. It's God's grace. Because the alarm can ring along for many times, but the fact that you are awake, thank God for that. And then when people are discouraging you, hating you now and again, not wanting to accept you as you are, the power is in your hands. When you were born, those people were not there. You were born alone, unique. Stand in a mirror and motivate yourself. Tell yourself, I'm born unique. My current situation is not my final destination. Let them talk. An empty tin always makes too much noise. People will talk forever. Whether you do good, you do bad, they will always come at your opposition. Yours is just to stand firm, motivate yourself daily. The power is in your hands, the ball is in your court. Use it responsible and motivate yourself daily. Then you'll see you'll succeed in life. God will always lay a table on top of your enemies, and they'll always wonder, how did you make it? Is this the real you? Because you find who you are.
Noxolo. Okay, fine. I appreciate everything that you just said. If I have to ask you, within the music space, as you just mentioned that you are very spiritual, who's your favorite gospel artist?
I actually have 3 of them.
Okay.
The first one is the late Fiso Ngwane.
Okay.
When I listen to his song, that one of Baba Kulungile Makwitalo Yakho, okwenzeke empilweni zethu, he makes me feel like it's not good to always tell people your things, because some people will lead you in a wrong way. Be like in the Bible, be like David, dance during painful hard situation. When you don't have anything to eat, any place to lie on, just say, God, let your will be done. Kulungile Baba, surrender everything unto him and dance during hard times. You will see a breakthrough. But the minute you wander, stress and cry alone, you are giving the devil a weak point that he wants. Uzojabulisu Satan, Musujabulisu Satan. Imagine zombie and tell yourself, Baba Kulungile, this is your battle to fight. You know why I'm going through this. And then the second one, after through those challenges, I always live also with DJ Wasezulini, Pigiso. There's a song that she sings that says, it means distance yourself from anything that sideline who you are. Fight for who you are, so that the time you succeed, and then I also like Fire Malakabe combined with Philippine. There's this song they always sing that says Kitsamayali Moren, Kitsamayali Jesu. But the problem with them, they don't understand spiritually. They are gifted. When they sing gospel songs, they are powerful. But personally, Philippine Kwaito Slaves, he loves Kwaito music. He's a Kwaito musician. And then Fire Malaka is a traditional gospel, is a traditional artist actually, like Omas Kandi, but in a Sotho form. But when they sing gospel, their songs can blow you away. And the last one, but not least, always when I see the breakthrough has come, after I sang those songs of breakthrough, I love Tina Zoom. When he says, that one is my testimony. Always when I feel like testifying, I sing him, because through everything I've been through, growing the whole 20 years as a victim of rape, human trafficking, and all those things. I could have died long ago. I could have got HIV and AIDS and all of those things. But because of God's grace, God became my shield, and I overcame all of that.
Yeah, I'm blessed to have you here on this podcast, and I hope people will like, share, and subscribe to this video so that they can learn from your experience, because you know what you are sharing here is powerful. Because as we're sitting here right now, there's people who are going through exactly the same experience of the things that you went through. So when I received the information that you were interested to come, I was happy in a manner, because I realized the amount of impact that you have when as Noxolo, you understand. So I said to God, thank you for this opportunity that you giving me to be in a position where I can interview Noxolo, because I know Noxolo, when I read your profile, I said to myself, this is an agent of hope. You are representing hope in many different ways, you understand. So yeah, I'm blessed in Noxolo. But I would like for you to share even more of where you draw your, or who you can point out as someone who helped shape you in being spiritual, because I believe that those are some of the people that are also important in shaping us and our future.
These people, I'll also love you to call them one day. You might get them on my party. The first group is my spiritual parents that are always fighting for me to be okay, fighting for who I am. I'm speaking about the likes of Dr. Okaile Shimulikai, known as Dr. O. He's my spiritual father. And then I'm speaking about the likes of Mam Mpo Shimulikai. It's my spiritual mother. They are a couple, both of them. You know what? These ones will never sleep until they see me succeeding. They fight each and every battle for me. They always pray for me, encourage me daily. And then besides them, remember, it takes a village to raise a child. I also have powerful parents that I don't want to leave them out. As much as the Bible says, every elderly person is your parent. Treat everyone with respect. I want to motivate the youngsters to say, guys, stop this stupid lifestyle of disrespecting elderly people. When they tell you that do something, do it with an open heart, because you'll never know where your breakthrough will come from. This thing, hey, you are not my father, I left my father at home. You are not my mom, I left my mom at home. It must stop, young people. That is why many of you are unemployed right now. That is why many of you are dying as young as you are, because God is angry about your actions, guys. The Bible says, honor your father and your mother so that your days may be long. But some of you, I don't blame you. It's the fault of the parents, the background you are in. But again, parents, even you, learn to support your children in every move. Learn to listen to your children's emotions and all of that. Support them along the way, because you will also get your punishments when your children are respectful but you are not. The Bible says, parents, do not provoke your children to anger, but bring them up in the discipline and instruction of the Lord. So the parents that I would love to appreciate now, there are many. Let me just call the names and never call what they've done. I'm speaking about Mr. Jeff Boiki Madiben, Beauty Smile Lenobushem Tim Kulu, Mr. and Miss Mseri, Mr. and Mrs. Koza. I'm speaking about Mam Busisi Wenomagwazi Kunene, our beautiful President Cyril Ramaphosa, Panyazali Sufi, Faith Mazibugo. I'm speaking about my Oliven primary teachers. I'm speaking about Oliven Woodbush SAPS group, especially Captain Maria Tuka, together with Warren Captain and Mama Lulega, Mr. Mukite, and all of them. They played such a huge role. Captain Tuka, I'll never forget her, because the time I was young, going to school, she's the one who used to feed me breakfast. She's the one who used to make me to get something to carry to school while I was abandoned. And then I also want to appreciate Oliven Woodbush Clinic, Lodium Rehabilitation Team, Lodium Chuchuzela Care Center, because that's where they deal with rape victims and turn them into survivors. And the whole Word Power Ministry International Church, those people became a comfort zone to me. When I saw them the first time, I was very, very down to earth. I never accepted who I am, but through their journey, I know who I am. Now I'm unstoppable. And I'll never forget also Beauty Smile and Nobushem Tim Cool. She's a mom to me, she's a darling, and many, many more. If I didn't mention your name, don't feel like you're not important. Thanks for making me, shaping me who I am.
Hi, Noxolo. I ngiyabonga sisi wami ukuthi you took your time, because I know you're a very busy person and you have a very busy schedule. But I really like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming and sharing your story on Cooking TV podcast. I don't know if there's still more that you want to share, maybe with regards to how you want to inspire the youth.
Let me talk to the youth and persons with disabilities. Young people, as I said, the first thing is accept who you are. Repent from doing these stupid lifestyles that you are doing. This life of loving to go to taverns while you know you don't have money, young people. It must stop. Alcohol is not a dangerous weapon or what. It's always there. It has been there for many, many years. But how you treat it, it goes back to you, guys. Love yourself daily. Always learn to be humble and respectful. Don't come with your titles of I'm the owner, I know who I am. Always be humble, be positive and respect. Then you'll glow like me and fly all over the world. You will never be unemployed. What's making you bad is how you treat yourself daily. But okay, stop being disrespectful, love your parents and always love one another. Support each other, especially the whole black community. This thing of competition, of competing with your friend or your neighbor, it must stop. The Bible says, do not compare yourself with your neighbor, his wife, his car, his everything. Accept your time is coming. When you see your friend driving a Mercedes, be happy, acknowledge him or her, because that is his green pastures. This thing of being a copycat is going to kill you. So learn to respect young people and always seek. There are many, many opportunities where you can succeed. And I also want to thank Mr. Lucky Mudumo, the manager of Alfest Institute for Future Tech. I'm who I am because of him. He's now currently applying a bursary for me. I'm about to do a course in mental health and counseling. So young people, if you want to be blossom and become fruitful, learn to respect and humble yourself. Wherever you go, humble yourself and listen to when they give you things to do. Don't say, I'm not gonna earn money in everything. Money is the root cause of evil. When you came on earth, you came with your hands like this, holding like a fist. You didn't come with money or anything. So volunteerism helps you to gain experience. It helps you to gain many knowledge. It's like you're doing practicals instead of theory, and that is going to help you in your life. That is why I'm so educated. I know everything. I've done a lot of community works. I never let my disability change who I am. I believe I'm differently able. I was born unique. And to everybody watching this show now, learn to love yourself. Self-love is the best. At the end of the day, your current situation is not your final destination, and always love your children. Even if you give birth to differently abled kids, support them all the way, because you are raising your own presidents. You are raising people who will take you to their minds. Look at me. Through my painful situation, I became a solution, and I currently wrote a book called From Victimization to Survivor. It's dedicated to empower victims who've been through abuse. You are more than conquerors. Be positive day by day. Meditate positivity. You'll never lack anything. Nobody was born to suffer. Nobody must kill themselves. Stop these lifestyles that you are living, young people. Always start everything from scratch. Lay the right foundations and always stay humble. You will realize life will blossom. You'll never lack anything. I thank you.
Humble yourself before the Son of the Lord.
Yes.
He shall lift you up.
He will always lay a table on top of your enemies.
Yeah. No, hey, I love the fact that I can really feel you are really spiritual, and I think that all the people that you just mentioned for having shaped you into the woman that you are today. Yeah, and as I said, you are an ambassador, and I respect you for that. And looking at your age, you are still young, but you know exactly where you are going and you know where you come from. I think that's what most people should learn out there, as you just mentioned. We know that most of us are going through different challenges, but my belief is that bringing people like you to the show will also help people who are going through the same difficult experiences that we're going through to find a way, a place where they can find comfort. As you mentioned, that they should find comfort in the Lord. There's no other place better than finding comfort in the Lord. Yeah, so and if I have to maybe ask you a little bit about your book, what is the main focus of your book?
The book title, as I said, it's called From Victimization to Survivor. It's available. Each copy is 200 rand, but if you are far, it needs to include Korea. It's 260 rand. The mission behind this book is to create a suicidal-free generation. It's gonna educate you that you are more than a conqueror. Your current situation is not your final destination. Learn to speak out whenever you need help. Learn to go out there and find your true self. Never let your current situation make you to speak negativity and feel like I'm a bad person. I was born to suffer this and this. Your mouth, your tongue is powerful. It has the right to uplift you. You have the right to kill yourself. The power starts with you from within, who you are.
The power of positive affirmations.
It's gonna bring you miles. It's gonna take you from shack to mention.
We must learn.
You will move from zero to hero.
Yeah. No, definitely, no problem. Definitely, I'm inspired. I'm really inspired. Yeah, and if I have to maybe ask, what are some of the initiatives that you are busy doing now?
Currently, tomorrow I'm expecting visitors from Domisa TV. It's a show called Your Testimonies. I'll be testifying to the world what God has done in my life. And then I'm also a City of Tshwane Region 4 Executive Board member representing persons with disabilities, the whole Region 4. I'm also a GPV advocate and a GPV ambassador, ambassador against GPV. As I said, I'm a career woman, I'm multi-talented. I'm also a founder and director of Forgiveness Hygiene Store. I'm also a dancer. I'm multi-talented. I always do everything to make sure I lift myself up. I'm always a voice to the voiceless. And what I've realized also, people who are going through the lot most, it's gentlemen. gentlemen are cramming these words of Indota I can. That must stop, because every man is a human being. Look at how even the justice system is failing gents. It's failing males, because males are the ones who created this stigma for themselves. Indota I can. When you go to the stations, they will be laughing at you, saying you're weak. So my advice is, if the world can give males justice, let at least Department of Sports design programs like boxing, partner with Department of Health in terms of mental health. Let them give gents counseling, open those groups with the gents, so that the gents can cough out and do things the right way. That is why many gents ended up putting their lives on alcohol, because they feel like that's where they take a break. That's where they're beating women and GPV stunts, because they carry a lot of anger from the inside that is killing them. So if Department of Sports can partner with Department of Health, try to do initiatives like teach gents boxing, so that they can punch the punching bag instead of punching the ladies.
And take out their frustrations.
Take out their frustrations, do those exercises, and always give them a platform to cough out.
Where they can speak.
Especially on days like Father's Days and all of that. Let them try to motivate them and feel like humans.
Don't you think that maybe the government is trying, but maybe the males within the country are too slow to respond to what the government
The thing is, no one motivates them. They don't feel the backup support. You see, everywhere you go, it's all about women and children. If men can also be given that motivation, that platform, I'm telling you, million will come. They don't come because they feel sidelined. Males are victims just like persons with disabilities.
Definitely.
Persons with disabilities are also ignored. Why? It's something that doesn't start from home. Nobody is honoring them and
That's
all
why
of
you
that.
find that
That's why most of them are even hired in the houses and all of that. They don't get the freedom they want. That is why they end up giving up, because even the same parents, they want to eat monies of disability fund through these kids, while they are hiding them, never giving them the freedom they need. That's why they limit themselves in everything. And that is why we end up writing a slogan called "Nothing about us without us." So stop eating fundings over us. Stop doing stupid stuff to gain money out of persons with disabilities. They are also human beings. And I urge the government also to start initiatives with persons with disabilities. I am definitely sure that even now, 26 March, many of you don't know that it's Purple Day for epilepsy. You need to wear something purple as a ribbon of respect for people who are living with epilepsy. And then every year, 3 November to 3 December, it's International Disability Rights Awareness Month. That is where you're supposed to be vocal, support persons with disabilities. If they wonder, what are we going to buy you? We don't have cash, what are we going to do? Just visit them, visit those organizations, encourage them and give them the love they need. Words are important than material stuff. Motivate them and show them they're human beings. Greater is He that is in you than the one in the world.
Yeah, no, Noxolo, you are an all-rounder. If I'm listening to you, you've been around. And for your age, I'm really amazed, because most people your age don't know the things that you know. They will be even amazed when they see it, come across this podcast, because I think they're gonna learn a lot from you. And they're gonna really learn a lot. I hope they're gonna give them the opportunity, give themselves the opportunity to learn from your experience, because we live in communities where people don't care anymore. People ignore people who know, or people who have been through experiences that they have not been in. But I hope with this podcast and you having been here, they're gonna learn a lot from your experience. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And if I have to say, because one of my missions with Booking TV podcast is to work with radio stations. If maybe they're going to come across this podcast, I'm inviting them to give me and Booking TV podcast team the opportunity to collaborate. I would also like for them to invite us to different radio stations, including I will start with the local ones, the local radio stations. Give us the opportunity, give us those contracts if they are there, just to empower us, so that we can be able to have more muscle to invite more people like you and other bigger people than you You understand? Yeah, and yeah, it was really an honor and a privilege to have hosted you today. I'm thankful for that in so many ways, and thanks to Mr. Kalpa who made sure that this interview was possible. Big ups to Mr. Kalpa. Big ups to Noxolo. Yeah. So yeah, viewers of the channel, thanks for watching today, and join us on the next episode where we didn't really say who the next guest will be, but hopefully it will be someone more powerful again like Noxolo was today. Have a lovely one, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day further. Till next time. Noxolo, you can say goodbye to the guests.
Goodbye everyone. Thank you for listening to us. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope you are learning a lot out there. Thank you so much guys. Love you.